Hi, good evening, everyone. Okay, in this video, I will show you if you are totally start from scratch, how you need to install your chart, bot, how you need to activate everything. See, there is no any chart open, no any workspace open, and make sure you need to click on tools in setting, and here you need to click on multi-provider, apply, and then okay. After that, you need to click on new chart. Here you need to select on micro, and make sure here you need to select on Ninja Renko, and here you need to select default. Just press D, it will open. Make sure 24/7 D 24/7. Click OK. Once you apply, click OK. This chart will open. Just click on this arrow, click on configure, add. Here you need to select on Ninja Renko, click OK, then click on add. Here you can type 38/16, 38, 16, click OK, apply, OK. And after that, you need to click here on OK, 38/16. You will see your chart here, you will see your candle here. Make sure you need to click on connection. It's disconnect. If you need to configure your account, you need to click on configure. For simulation, I will click because that's a brand new customer and he don't have any account. He have only tech account. And if you see sometime your chart is see 25th September. You need to roll over, click on tools, database management. Here you need to click rollover. So once the contract, it will see current expire, contract expire contract. So new contract automatically it will replace with the December one. So you will see a chart here. So that's how you need to set your chart if from scratch. So next, how we need to once you open your Ninja, you will see there is no bot install. How you need to activate your bot. Just first of all, you need to right click and click on strategy. And if you see there is some error, contact with trade with Raja. This one, click here available trade with Raja bot version 2. Click on add. And that's the setting. You don't need to do anything. Just click on sim one here. You need to select your account, whatever you have account. Click on enable. Now you will get error because your bot is not activated. You see this one is your error. Sometime if you see this error, you need to click OK, cancel, and you need to click on strategy, remove, right click, and remove this one. Okay, because your bot is not yet activated, you need to, I will ask you, give me the machine ID. You need to click on help. After that, about, and that's machine ID. You need to just copy it and send me by WhatsApp. Okay, so I will activate your bot with your email address and with your name. So I am now activating. So I will activate and you will see there is no any error. That I'm going to activate now from port for my system. Yeah, so it's activated. Click on OK. Now again, go back to your chart, right click on strategy, click here, add it, and here you can add two contracts, simple, and just you need to select here, click on enable in the setup section, click apply. After that, click OK. So you will see now this trade with Raja. If there is no any DOM here, you need to click on this one, and you can see your bot button here. So in this way, you can turn on your bot. So in next video, how you can duplicate your chart, just right click here, duplicate in new window. You will see there is again new window. Here you need to here you need to select first MNQ. Now you have to do it micro with MGC. This MGC here. Now you need to turn on your port. Right click, strategy. Here you need to just type click here. That's the let me turn on the setting for this MGC 25, 55. Maximum you will do 3 MGC 55. Here you need just remove this one, daily profit, daily stop loss, and click on apply, save. Here then we call MGC. So simple, you need to select your account here and enable it, apply, okay. So you will see your MGC chart is open. So now you see your two chart is open here. You can select as per your screen here and here. You can select it. Here you can expand it as per your screen availability. And if you see sometime you are getting error, make sure you need to remove your from strategy, remove it here, delete it and enable it again. So you will not face any error there. Okay. How you need to use space your save your workspace? Click on workspace. Here you need to click it. You click on save. After that you need to open, save, and again click it. And you need, if you by mistake you close your chart or you save one more workspace backup, save as, open. So now your two chart is configured and your system is on now. So if you will need to close, you need to close here, then click on yes. Once it asks you, do you want to save workspace? Always click no. Okay, always click no. Because if you open your workspace, close it, close your chart here, and then you save it, then the chart will be disappear. Okay. Okay, let me close it here now. So I close it. Now again Ninja will be open here. Use your password here. Once you open your password, you will see the same chart open. Just you need to enable it.